Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today we're going to cover a highly requested dance tutorial, and that is BTS Butter Remix featuring Megan Thee Stallion. Now, before I start, I just want to emphasize that this dance requires a bit more practice and patience, so that means that you might have to do the dance at 0.5 speed in the beginning before you gradually speed up, alright? Alright, let's just jump right into it. As always, I'm gonna break it down into some mini sections, so it's gonna be as easy as possible for you guys to practice. Okay, let me show you the first mini section you're about to learn here. So it goes boom, 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 boom. Now, let me explain. First two moves, you wanna jump down, boom, and then back up, boom. Pretty simple, right? Now, the arms are going boom, left is out here, right is up by my nose, and I wanna say boom, wipe your nose. So, boom. Pretty simple, right? At the same time, with the legs, it's gonna go boom, boom. Okay? Just try and practice that with me so we get some confidence. Alright? So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down, up. Try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, up. Okay, so once you can do boom, boom, let me just show you the arms first. The arms are gonna say rock, paper, scissors. This is my right. Boom. So from here, I want to go counterclockwise. I'm turning the imaginary wheel right on top. Yeah, it's counterclockwise when I look at it. And then clockwise. Boom. And then pull the right arm back and left arm is out here. All right. So let me just show you again. I'm going rock, paper, scissors. I'm turning the wheel counterclockwise, clockwise, and then I pull the right back. Okay, try practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then rock, paper, scissors. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, paper, scissors. Counterclockwise, clockwise, pull right back. All right, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, paper, scissors. Counterclockwise, clockwise, pull the right back. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, paper, scissors. Counterclockwise, clockwise, pull the right back. Alright, so once you've done this a million times, then let me explain the footwork. Now the footwork and this combined is really difficult, so I will explain to you how to do the original version, and then I will also show you a simple, easier version of this next footwork part, alright? I have seen other people do this easier version, so you won't be the only one. Okay, let me explain the original footwork here. You want to lift up your right, whoop, and then you want to bring it down. When you bring it down, you want to have your toes pointing inwards, all right? Then you want to do the heel toe, so right up on your heel, left on your toes, and then you want to go to the side, all right? If you had to isolate it, right is doing whoop, left is doing whoop. Just want to do it at the same time, all right? Now from here, you want to do the opposite, right on your toes, left on your heel, and then keep moving, all right? Now, this is basically the happy feet, aka heel toe dance move. I have a detailed tutorial on how to do that. If you know how to do this, then the part that I just showed will be really easy. All right? I'll link to it in the description and somewhere here. Okay, so that was the original version. You lift up your right, toes pointing inwards, outwards, inwards. All right? That's it. Now, if you want to learn the easy version, basically just do whoom, here also inwards, but then you just go whoom, in, just on the spot, right? Just on your heels. Maybe not so exaggerated and noticeable, just do like wham, 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 all right? You can't really do it up here, just bend a bit down and then create a larger effect. Okay, let's just try and practice that. You can either go for the original version or the easy version, okay? So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say lift, inwards, outwards, inwards, all right? Or lift, inwards, outwards, inwards, okay? Let's try that. 5, 6, just the feet, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, lift, inwards, outwards, inwards. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift, inwards, outwards, inwards. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift, inwards, outwards, inwards. All right, time to combine it. All right, make sure that you've practiced this a million times also. Okay, so once you're ready, we're gonna combine it. We're gonna say, lift your right leg and then do rock, paper, scissors. And then you wanna say, turn the wheel counterclockwise, and then opposite, and then pull it back. All right, so every time you do something with your arms, you're also doing something with your legs. So in that sense, it's pretty easy, okay? So let's try again. We're gonna go whoom, 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 whoom. Just a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift, inwards, outwards, inwards. Let's try again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, paper, scissors. Counterclockwise, clockwise, pull it back. All right, one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, paper, scissors. Counterclockwise, clockwise, pull it back. Now, feel free to practice on your own, at your own pace, all right? If you think it's too fast or too slow, just practice a bit slower if you're not that comfortable yet, and then just gradually speed up, all right? I didn't just learn it by practicing once and then that was it. No, I started really slow, figuring out what is it that I'm actually doing, and then I was gradually speeding up, all right? I know how to do this. Okay, so that was mini section 1. Let me just recap and then we're gonna practice, okay? So mini section 1 was you wanna go jump down here, and then from here, rock, paper, scissors, inwards, outwards, pull it back. Now, the time goes something like so smooth, like the car I ride. So it goes so smooth, like the car I ride. All right, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then so smooth, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. So smooth, like the car I ride. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So smooth, like the car I ride. Let's try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. So smooth, like the car I ride. Okay, so once you practice that a million times, then let's move on to mini section 2. Let me just quickly show you what you're about to learn here. This was 1, boom, 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 boom. 2 is boom, 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 boom. All right, let me break that down for you. So, we end here in mini section 1. What you want to do now is the inverse heel toe. That's what I call it. All right, I have a detailed tutorial on how to do this, but I'll go through it briefly here. And also you can do the easy version like you did before if you want to. All right, so let me just start by explaining the easy version. You're basically going outwards, inwards, outwards, inwards. That's it. All right. Now for the inverse heel toe, starting like this with your heel, toes inwards. You want to do left is going up your heel to the side, right is going place it on your toes. All right. Notice how my toes are pointing outwards. Now I want to go up on my toes, both, and then flick your heels out to the side. Now the toes are pointing inwards. Then I want to do it to the opposite side. Right is going up on my heel to the side. Left is going to place it like that. And then you want to go both on your toes out to the sides. All right. Now let me repeat or to show you again. From here, I'm doing whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. The arms are just staying here while you're doing this. Or you can do the easy version, which is out, in. Okay, so just try and practice with me. Let's start like this, and then I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then whoom, 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 whoom. Or you can do the easy version. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoom, 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 whoom. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoom, 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 whoom. All right. Now this next part is want to bring this one back, the left, whoop, and then you want to go right is on my toes, left is on my heel, and then you want to twist to the sides, all right? And just show it from the side actually. So, yeah, so this is beginning of midsection 2. I want to bring my left back, whoop, and then I want to go boom, ha. Okay, so showing you again to the front. Right after inverse heel toe, bring the left foot back, boom, and then go twist to the side. This is my left side, all right? So, when you combine it, just feel free to practice it more if you need to, but when you combine it, it's gonna look like this. Your heel toes are pointing inwards, you wanna keep your arms up here, and then you wanna go whoom, 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 left back, whoop, twist, down. Now, when you go down, there's a small detail. Your arms want to do like this. Yeah. All right. So they went from here to here. Okay, so with this small detail, it's gonna look like this. From here, beginning of midsection 2 goes boom, 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 back, twist, bang. Okay, so let's practice this midsection 2. Then just explain the timing or show you the timing. So it goes roll here. It goes even your best party planner couldn't catch this vibe. Okay? So let me just show you a bit faster just so you get the idea. From here, even your best party planner couldn't catch this vibe. Okay, time to practice. We're gonna start like this, toes pointing inwards, and then we go even your best. Or actually, I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, even your best. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, even your best party planner couldn't catch this vibe. Okay? Try again. 5. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8, even your best party planner couldn't catch this vibe. Just a tiny bit faster. 5. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Even your best party planner couldn't catch this vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.